Hello everybody, version 2 of Jupiter Station is now available for you to play. I've made various improvements, I've added level bosses, power-ups, and I've made general improvements to the game engine itself. And I've also got a new soundtrack for you to play in the background. So without further ado, let's get cracking on. I've added a bit of animation to the text as well and refine it a little. So this version is copyrighted for copyright reasons, folks. I will make the executable file available for you to download so that you can try out this game. However, I won't be including the original source code.
3, 2, 1.
So as you can hear, I've also included new sound effects. In general, it should run quite reasonably on your computer side. So there's the power up. I've got an extra life. And there's the level boss. And it takes 5 minutes to destroy that one.
Two, one.
Right, so let's crash and end the game. As always, you can enter your initials. If you beat the high score, we'll save them to disk, and then obviously we can quit from the game. Right, that's it. I hope you guys like it. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Are there any improvements I can make? Let's have a chat in the comments below. I do recommend checking out qb64.org. It's got this really great emulator emulating Quick Basic 4.5, and also what's nice about it is it generates a standalone executable file, so that you don't need to release any of your software with the original source code. So you don't need qb64 to run your programs. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll be back on Mars. Cheers for now.